Hello, I'm Sarah Simon. Many of you know me as TheMintGardener. I'm an artist, an author, and an educator, and truly nothing brings me more joy than helping people discover the everyday magic of watercolor. As the creator of the Watercolor Workbook series, my heart has always been to make painting feel joyful, unintimidating, and wonderfully approachable. Whether you're picking up a brush for the very first time or you're returning to it after many years. Through my books, classes, and workshops, and art retreats, I'm always inviting people into a slower, more mindful way of living, one where we choose beauty, creativity, and connection. This brush set feels like a very natural extension of that philosophy. The superior synthetic blend really holds color so generously. It allows for really rich, fluid washes. The bristles have a resilient spring, which gives me both precision and control. I carefully curated each size and shape in this collection to support a wide range of creative expression. Whether I'm painting loose botanicals or the tiniest petal detail, this thoughtfully curated set lets me create with ease, beauty, and confidence. And quite honestly, they're the brushes that I reach for first, every time, in my studio, on my travels, and at every retreat. I wanted to build a collection designed to help you create anything that you can imagine, all in one set.